we're back in the garage. So we got an Aprilaire Series 800 humidifier. We're going to be changing the canister because it's not really working right. So I got it in test mode right now. So first thing we need to do is take it out of test mode. So I've turned it off here. Okay, and then we're going to turn it off here and push the power. What it's going to do, it's going to drain all the water out of the canister. This process takes about 4 minutes. So once that's done, we'll kill the power at the breaker, open up the front, disconnect the canister, put in a new one, reconnect everything, turn the breaker back on, and turn this on. So here we go. Okay, so when all the lights turn off and it's not making any more noise, you know it's done. So we're going to go find the breaker and shut off power. Okay, so we're at our breakers, humidifier, so this is it. Okay, we'll go ahead and try to turn it back on. Nope, power's dead. All right. So next thing we need to do is remove the front cover. It's going to use a Phillips screw. You just loosen it. Don't take it off all the way. Okay. And the whole thing just slides it straight up. It comes out just like that. Now we have our canister. Now, depending on if it's been running recently, this could be hot, so you might want to let it cool for a little while. In my case, it seems to be okay. Make sure there's no water in there. So we're going to remove this first. I think this is the diode that heats the water, and then these are the sensors. And keep note of where they go, because that does matter. Okay, so typically there's going to be a one of these guys, a hose clamp. You want to loosen that first. This one doesn't have one. And then this will just pop right out like that. Okay, so now that you got all the things, all the wires disconnected, this is going to pop straight up. Just do it slowly because water could still come out. So straight up and then bring it towards you. Okay? And that's it. We got it out. Set that aside. So there's an O-ring in there that needs to come out. Your kit should come with a new one. So we'll get that out of there. Okay, so you want to get that O-ring out. So needle nose pliers usually work pretty good. You can just kind of grab it. Just like that. Alright. And you want to make sure that there's no debris in there before you put in a new one. Go ahead and kind of clean that out a little bit. Okay, we have our new O-ring. We're going to go ahead and install it. Now we got it all prepped and cleaned. You just want to pop it in there and get it in the groove. So I got the back side in the groove, and then I'll just work my way around till all of it's in there. Alright, it's all in there. Cool, so now we're going to get our new canister, which is this guy right here. So, this is a Aprilaire 80LC. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and slip that back in there, like that. We'll move all these wires out of the way. And make sure all the wires are in front of it. Okay. And we want to put it in the hole there like that. And we want everything to be lined up straight. Okay, and then we'll press down. That won't go nowhere. And there we got that. We'll go ahead and hook up our level detectors. I think this is, actually these might be the electrodes. I'm not 100% sure, but basically you want to hook up these two first, and then we're going to hook this up. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and slide the hose on until it goes all the way down. And then we have our hose clamp here. I'm going to put it right about there, and we're going to tighten it down. Okay, so we went ahead and tightened it down. And don't use a drill when you tighten that down, just hand tighten it. This one's a 5/16 hex head. But yeah, we got everything hooked up, sweet. So So we're going to go ahead and put our door back on. Just like that. Okay. We're going to go ahead and tighten our screw. And we're going to go ahead and turn the breaker back on. Alright, so we're flipping our breakers on. Okay, so now we got power restored. We can go ahead and turn it on. And now we want to cycle it on. So we're going to go to our humidistat here. And if you turn this one all the way, it'll put it in test mode. And you want to also make sure your blower activation is set to on. That way it will run the blower. And that's how you change a canister on an Aprilaire Series 800 humidifier. So hopefully this helps. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, comment, tell me what a horrible technician I am. Hit that bell notification and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thanks for watching.